Pig. This is my pig. What does a pig say? My pig says, oink, oink, all day long. My pig. Ooh, my pig got so dirty. Can you help me wash it? Grab the sponge and wash my pig. Perfect! My pig is clean again. Yay, you got a new sticker. Drag your stickers onto the screen to build your farm. You don't have this sticker yet. Help Farmer Annie to earn more stickers. Tap on any of the colorful buttons to start playing. Cow. This is my cow. Do you know what a cow says? A cow says, moo, moo. The cow got very hungry. Can you feed it? Well done! The cow's not hungry anymore. I can milk the cow now. Let's make a milkshake. My grandma came up with a special recipe for the milkshake. Drag the ingredients to the right side to prepare 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 1 pear, 2 pears, 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4 bananas, 1 plum, 2 plums, 3 plums, 4 plums, 5 plums, 1 chocolate. Great work! I can put all the ingredients to my blender now. Tap on the button to start the blender. Yay! We have a shake now! I can pour you a glass. Drink the shake by tapping on the glass. That was yummy, Yay! You got a new sticker! Drag your stickers onto the screen to build your farm. Let's start playing. Choose the game you want to play. Find me! There are so many animals on my farm. I need your help. Can you help me find the animals I'm looking for? I'll give you a sticker for your help. Where's my goat? Sheep. Cat. Great. Goat. 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 That's it. Horse. Tap on the animal that makes the sound oink oink. Dog. Find my pig. Hen. Find my pig. Great. Pig. Touch the animal that makes the sound woo woo. Wonderful. Dog. Find the animal that makes the sound gobble 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 gobble. Donkey. That's it. Turkey. Great! You found all the animals. You get a sticker. Drag your stickers onto the screen to build your farm. Tap on any of the colorful buttons. My farm. Pick the place to build your farm. Drag your stickers onto the screen to build your farm. Let's start playing. Choose the game you want to play by tapping on any of the colorful buttons. Tap on any of the colorful buttons to start playing.